Well, St. Patrick's Day brings out all the green food. So there is no better time than right now to make this lemon lime cake. Mossy green grass and mushrooms for this forest scene, complete with a hidden pot of gold. So I've already prepared my cake layers, and the key lime cake is a really easy one bowl mix where I just add the liquid ingredients straight into the dry ingredients and mix that up by hand. And the lemon cake recipe, however, does take an electric mixer, so it is a bit more involved. But let me tell you something, the resulting texture of this lemon cake is like pound cake. So we've got to go ahead and make the key lime custard, and you're only going to do that once your cake layers are baked and cooled, because I like to build my custard cakes while the custard is hot. So I do have some key lime juice, a little bit of water to offset the acidity of that key lime juice. I add some plant milk to that, and the secret ingredient for this luscious key lime custard is vegan coconut condensed milk. That is what's going to give your key lime custard the most authentic key lime pie texture that you've ever tried. Now, for those who can't find the coconut condensed milk in a can, I have made my own recipe, and I list all of that on my website at gretchensveganbakery.com. So there's always substitutions and different ingredient offerings for those who can't get everything that I can get. So other than that, it is just a quick stovetop custard, and cornstarch is the main thickener because obviously vegan baking, we are not using eggs. The vegan butter is going to go in last, so I'm just going to set that aside while I bring this up to a boil. And voila! My custard has magically turned yellow. While I was cooking it, I added a little bit of turmeric to it to give it a more authentic key lime color. So recently someone asked me why I'm not showing the full detail of how to make each recipe, like the key lime layers and the lemon layers and then the custard and then the buttercream. I mean, this video would be like an hour long. Not to mention, I've already shown full-length videos for each individual base recipe. So this method of building a cake is called my building on recipes theory, where you have to go ahead and prepare all of your base recipes ahead of time before you even get to the building of a cake like this. So you definitely have to approach a cake project like this by just taking one recipe one at a time. So as always, my website lists out every recipe that you need with complete video tutorials on how to make each recipe. Well, it is a very rare occasion that I say I don't want to cut right into a cake, but I just love how cute this cake turned out that I don't want to cut into it. But you know what? I'm actually glad I did cut it, because the inside is just as cheery and festive as the outside. I mean, just look at these colors. This is a perfect St. Patrick's Day cake if I've ever seen one. So be sure to comment below, let me know what you thought about this cake. I really do hope that you're going to try it. Decorations or not, this is one delicious lemon lime cake. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.